What happens when singers hand the mic to fans? The last one will make you laugh non-stop. The moment a fan started singing, Nicki Minaj immediately snatched the microphone back. In fact, The Weeknd probably regretted handing the mic to a fan during Out of Time. Of course, there are also many fans who sing beautifully. For example, Beyoncé felt proud of her fan. Rihanna was amazed when her fans started singing. The moment a fan began to sing, Michael Bublé made the quickest escape. And Lady Gaga's reaction was definitely the most hilarious.
Stay